Old photos used to be printed using techniques and materials which break down over time. Digital technology allows faded and damaged photos to be rescued and copies to be taken which will not degrade with time. Here are some illustrations of restorations that we've carried out. By scanning the old and damaged image and working on a digital copy, corrections to lighting and contrast and repairs to creases and so forth can be applied to selected parts of the image without ever damaging the original. As you can see, even missing parts of images can be reconstructed, and tears, creases and spots can be removed. This final image is a restoration of a historic and valuable daguerreotype photo dating back to 1865. The image itself is preserved in a layer of silver powder that was blown onto a glass plate, which was then sealed into its frame. The silver layer is very fragile and would immediately be destroyed if the seal was broken. Thank you for watching. Do let us know if this process is of interest to you or if you have any questions.